Welcome to ITMaster, your go-to destination for all things tech and beyond. I'm thrilled to present tutorial number 16, where we dive into the intricacies of Microsoft Word. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to enhance your document creation and editing experience by showcasing the ruler, grid lines, and navigation pane. Additionally, we'll unravel the secrets of effective zoom management and learn how to master the window options, allowing you to effortlessly handle multiple document views. Whether you're a seasoned IT enthusiast or just stepping into the world of technology, ITMaster is here to empower you with valuable insights and practical skills. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let's embark on this learning journey together. How to show the ruler, grid lines, and navigation pane in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Open a document or create a new one. Either open an existing Word document or create a new document by selecting Blank Document. Step 3. Show the ruler. Go to the View tab in the top menu. In the Show group, you will find the Ruler option. Click on it to toggle the ruler's visibility. The ruler will appear at the top and left side of the document. Step 4. Show grid lines. In the View tab, locate the Show group. Find the Grid and Guides option directly in the Show group and click on it. Check the Grid Lines option. Grid lines will now be displayed on your document, providing a visual guide for alignment. Step 5. Show navigation pane. In the View tab, navigate to the Show group. Click on the Navigation pane option to toggle its visibility. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the document, allowing you to easily navigate through different sections. Step 6. Customize grid and guides, optional. After enabling grid lines, you can customize the grid settings by clicking on the same Grid and Guides option in the View tab. Choose grid settings to adjust grid spacing and other options according to your preferences. Step 7. Save your document. After making the desired changes, don't forget to save your document. Congratulations! You have successfully shown the ruler, grid lines, and navigation pane in Microsoft Word. Adjusting zoom settings in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Access the View tab. At the top of the Word window, locate the ribbon with different tabs. Click on the View tab. This tab is usually located between the Review and Help tabs, but the layout may vary depending on your version of Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Zoom group. Within the View tab, find the Zoom group. This group typically contains options related to the document's display. Zoom in or out. In the Zoom group, you'll find the Zoom slider. Slide it left or right to adjust the zoom level. Alternatively, you can click on the percentage value next to the slider and enter a specific percentage to set a custom zoom level. Choose standard zoom levels. In the Zoom group, you'll see options like 100%, which represents actual size, one page for viewing one page at a time, and page width for adjusting the zoom to fit the width of the page. Click on the desired option to set the zoom level accordingly. Select Multiple Pages option. If you want to view multiple pages simultaneously, click on the Multiple Pages option in the Zoom group. This allows you to see a preview of multiple pages on the screen. Adjust zoom preferences. If you want to customize your zoom preferences further, click on the Zoom dialog box launcher, a small arrow icon, in the bottom right corner of the Zoom group. This opens the Zoom dialog box where you can set specific preferences. Close the Zoom dialog box. After adjusting the zoom settings, click OK to apply the changes and close the Zoom dialog box. Now you've successfully adjusted the zoom settings in Microsoft Word. Remember that the interface may vary, so adapt these instructions based on your specific version of Microsoft Word. How to use the window options in Microsoft Word to manage multiple document views. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer. Step 2. Open a document or create a new one. Either open an existing Word document or create a new document by selecting Blank Document. Step 3. Create a new window. Open the document you want to work with. Go to the View tab in the top menu. In the Window group, click on New Window. A new window with the same document will appear. Step 4. Arrange all open windows. In the View tab, still in the Window group, click on Arrange All. All open windows will be arranged side by side. Step 5. Split the document window. Position your cursor where you want to split the document. In the View tab, click on Split. The document will be split into two panes, and you can scroll each pane independently. Step 6. View side by side. In the View tab, click on View side by side in the Window group. Select the document you want to view side by side with the current one. Step 7. Synchronized scrolling. Ensure you have two windows open or are in the View side by side mode. In the View tab, click on Synchronous Scrolling in the Window group. The two windows will now scroll together. Step 8. Reset window position. If you've made changes to window positions, go to the View tab. In the Window group, click on Reset Window Position. This will return the windows to their default positions. Step 9. Switch between windows. In the View tab, use the Switch Windows option in the Window group to easily switch between open document windows. Choose the document you want to switch to. Congratulations! You have successfully used the window options in Microsoft Word to manage multiple document views, allowing for efficient editing and comparison. As we conclude tutorial number 16 on ITMaster, I hope you found these Microsoft Word tips and tricks valuable for your document editing endeavors. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ITMaster for more insightful tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Your engagement and feedback fuel this community of tech enthusiasts. Thank you for joining me on this learning adventure, and until next time, keep mastering the IT world.